Hey, it's Pete from the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. I'm making this update the day before the presidential election to give you my predictions on where I think stocks are going to go, the economy is going to go, and real estate. So if you're looking for that type of information, like, subscribe, comment below, let me know your thoughts on this, and let's see. Well, first of all, they've made note that in the first day, Trump is going to sign over 100 executive orders. I have not got news on what those are, but I believe he's going to put back in place many of the executive orders that he had, because when Biden came in office, he actually canceled every single executive order Trump had. So putting those executive orders back in place should start to move things in a positive direction. If Trump implements just a few of the things that he mentioned he would do, I expect the stock market's going to get better. We're going to have lower inflation. We're going to have reduced interest rates. We're going to have more jobs and more companies coming back to the United States and increased production. A few of the things that they made mention: eliminating the overtime. If they eliminate tax on overtime, that will help. Eliminating Social Security tax, they do that. That will help seniors, of course, too. When people have more money to spend, it helps them drastically. The other thing is they're going to start implementing the Keystone Pipeline and drilling more in America and using more U.S. oil. If that brings prices down, that should help with inflation, because a lot of things that are inflated have to do with oil and the cost of transportation and the cost to heat and do things. So I believe that we're going to be looking at a downward trend in those areas. Another good positive thing that we're looking at is Bill Pulte was just announced as the Federal Housing Finance Agency Director. And the great thing about that is he actually has a background in home construction, building. He's one of the largest nationwide builders. So when you're looking at a builder who can tell the government, which a lot of us like me have been doing for years, but tell the government, knows the problems and say, this is why we're not building, this is why we're not moving forward, and these are problems we're having. Now they can focus on those problems, increase development for commercial, multi-units, as well as single-family homes, and that's where we're lacking the most. So I think with Bill Pulte in place, real estate's going to start making a positive direction. Let me know your thoughts and comments on these things to see what you think will happen. But I'm looking at stocks going up, real estate going up, affordability of things going down in the very near future. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Of course, I'm making this a day before the presidential inauguration. I'm going to post this video. It's 11:30 right now. And let's see if what I say is true. All right. God bless. Like, subscribe, and comment.